Today we're going to be looking at these indicators here. I'm going to be back testing them, and guys, this has been one of my long-term strategies on the top two, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to give you the back testing results. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name is David and welcome to my show where I go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at a MACD alternative. It is an indicator that's based on pretty much the same sort of algorithm as the MACD, but it is much better, and I've been trading it for around 3 years. This one I will show you the back testing and the live trading results because I'm an algo trader and I like to give all of the data before we put any money into a trading strategy. So let's get over to my screen. Let's go through all of the indicators that are involved and I'll give you the backtesting results. Guys, before we go over to TradingView, if you do find this video interesting and helpful, if you don't mind giving it a good old thumbs up, it really helps me to direct my videos into the right direction and make useful content for you. Right, let's get over to my screen. Okay, here we are on TradingView. I'm on Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. This trading strategy works extremely well on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see in the live trading and backtesting results, we work on the 1 hour, 30-minute and 15-minute time frame. I'm going to go through all of these in more detail in a minute, but first of all, let's see what's behind the strategy. As always, I'm an algo trader and all of these strategies follow rules. This strategy follows a trend following strategy, so we're going to be looking for trend using one indicator. We'll use 2 indicators to confirm our entry. We'll look for a volatility or a volume indicator to make sure there's enough volume and volatility in the market. Don't want to be trapped in sideways markets. And then we'll set our stop loss and take profit in advance using another indicator. Right, okay, let's start by adding our first indicator, which is for trend direction. We're going to be using the T3, which is my favorite indicator for trend direction. T3, you can get all of these indicators absolutely for free by going to davidtech.com, going up to the top here and clicking on free indicators. You'll be able to get all of the indicators and access to a couple of my bots for free as well. So the T3, as you can see, is a very, very good indicator for detecting trend direction. When it goes green and price is above it, we're looking for longs. When it goes red and price is below it, we're looking for shorts. This is going to detect our trend for us, and now we're going to add a couple of confirmation indicators. The confirmation indicators will be non-correlated, so we're not going to just be detecting exactly the same thing. The first one is the 𝗦𝗛𝗢𝗓 by a lazy bear. It is this indicator here. It is absolutely brilliant, and I've been using it for a very, very long time. So we're going to be adding this to the chart. As you can see, the 𝗦𝗛𝗢𝗓 looks very much like a flattened version of the MACD, and some of the algorithm actually is even the same. It has several parts. I'm going to click on the cog here and we're going to change the color of this line, which is the explosion line. Okay, the explosion line is this one here. The blue line is called the dead zone line. This is where the name of this strategy actually came from, but we don't even actually use it anymore. The explosion line is this white line here. The white line will give us our confirmation that we can get into an entry. When the histogram goes over the white line, we can confirm our entries. So when it's green, we're going to be taking longs, and when it's red and above the white line, we can take shorts. The next indicator is the volume flow indicator, also by Lazy Bear. Lazy Bear being one of the best developers on TradingView. We're going to click that and we're going to add that also to the chart. Now the volume flow is this indicator here. Very, very simple and works very, very well as well. When we're looking for longs, we'd like the green line to be above the orange line, and that's it. When looking for shorts, we would like the orange line to be above the green line. And that's it for that as well. Let's see if we can cherry pick a entry. Okay, I nearly forgot. The only thing that I actually change on my strategy here is I've set the length of the T3 to 15. Right, so we're looking for our first entry. We're looking for the T3 to go red, which it has done on this candle just here. We're getting to the next candle below. We would like the 𝗦𝗛𝗢𝗓 to be above the white line where it is there, and we would like the volume flow to also be orange above green. This means we can short the market on the next open. As you can see, absolutely a perfect entry before it dumps. Guys, of course, I have actually cherry-picked this entry, but it's just for demonstration. I will give you full backtesting and full live trading results straight after I've done this entry. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set the stop loss to the ATR bands. The ATR bands by David Techh, this one here. Now this helps us to set our stop loss dynamically to react to the market. We're going to set this to 3, just like so. And we set our stop loss to the ATR bands. We then set our take profits to either 1 to 1.1, just like that. That way we cover fees and still keep an edge on the market. Or if you're looking for a little bit more adventure, you could set it to a 1 to 1.2. And of course, we will backtest all of this before actually going any further. Okay guys, so that is the actual strategy. We have all of the indicators. I'm going to go away and now backtest this. I'll give you all of the backtesting results on BTC, on a couple of time frames, and also on Ethereum. Let's go. Guys, before we go into the backtesting results, I'd like to give a huge thanks to Toobit for sponsoring this video. They've got a huge deal for everybody watching this video and anybody that's part of the David Techh community. If you register using the link below this video and deposit 100 USDT, you would get $50 in trading bonuses. If you deposit 200, you'll get 100, and the bonuses go all the way up to 6,000 USDT. Thank you so much to Toobit for sponsoring this video and being such a great exchange that I personally use every single day. Right, let's get to the backtesting results. Okay guys, here we are on my website. We are on the 50-minute time frame on the dead zone. This one here. Just going to share a couple of different time frames with you and the actual strategies. We will audit all of them on TradingView so you can see actually how they perform on TradingView as well. But first of all, let's go through the website because we can see the live trading results as well. Now, on the 50-minute time frame, this trading strategy returned 862%. On backtesting, had a 64% win rate and had a max drawdown of 22%, which isn't bad. We had a 716 closed trades and a profit factor of 1.48. If I go down, you can see the actual backtesting results look pretty good, and the actual forward trading looks even better, where you can see how we've actually been live trading. So we stopped backtesting here and we started live trading here, and you can see they did extremely well on the 50-minute time frame. Here are the backtesting results on TradingView as well, just as an audit, so you can see that I'm not just using some old bot that I created to backtest just to pull wool over your eyes. Next one is on the 1 hour time frame. We've also backtested on the 1 hour time frame. Now this has returned a lot less on 115%, but has a 60% win rate as well and a max drawdown of only 18%. It took 247 closed trades, and as you can see, the backtesting and forward testing results look great. Now you can convert this into a bot very easily by clicking on copy bot here, and this will automatically take all of the trades for you. You just have to choose your exchange. I'm going to choose Toobit, click next. And then you can backtest with leverage and increase or decrease the leverage. Depending on how much you want to risk, you can increase and decrease that leverage, which will increase the net profit, but will also increase the max drawdown. You can fill out how much initial balance you want to use. Click next and then press activate, and that will activate a bot on your exchange using this exact strategy without having to sit in the front of a screen all day. Okay, so the next one we're going to be looking at is also the dead zone. This is the name that I gave this trading strategy. On the 15-minute time frame on BTC USDT, on the 15-minute time frame we have an incredible 74% win rate, 1,275% net return. We had a huge amount of max drawdown on the 15-minute time frame of 66%, but like I said, we can use less leverage and less amount of risk. We had 1,350 closed trades and a profit factor of 1.299. If I go here, we can see the equity curve. I think the max drawdown area was probably around here, where we had a much smaller account, but as you can see, the equity curve looks absolutely amazing. And if I go over to TradingView as well, As you can see on TradingView, we have exactly the same results, and this is where we had our big drawdown. Okay, continuing over to Ethereum. On Ethereum, as you can see, we had the same impressive results. We had net profit on the 1 hour time frame on Ethereum of 1,671%. Makes drawdown a bit higher at almost 40%, and we had a total number of 241 closed trades. We had 46% win rate. And if you look at the buy and hold, if you would have purchased Ethereum here, you'd be quite happy with 155% profit. But this strategy absolutely destroyed it. If we look at the live trading, as you can see, the live trading looks as impressive as the backtesting results. So very, very happy with this one here. Let's have a look at the 30-minute time frame as well. We had a lot less drawdown on the 30-minute time frame with 15% max drawdown. But we also had a lot less profit with 479%. We had 302 closed trades and a win rate of 52%. The equity curve looks amazing as well. Let's go over to the live trading and have a look at the live trading. The live trading on 30-minute looks a lot more impressive on Ethereum than it does actually on TradingView. I'll put the links to these strategies down below in the description so you can easily copy them over to your exchange. Guys, I wanted to thank you very much for joining me. We're spending some time over the weekend to backtest this strategy. I really hope this helps you to go forward to become a profitable trader. As I said in my last short on Banter, never give up. Trading has been the most powerful thing that I've ever done in the whole of my life. It's given me financial freedom, but it did take me a long time to get where I am today, and it's thanks to a community that have been supporting me from the beginning and working together on the same common goal. Guys, have a wonderful weekend. Take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I will see you next weekend here on Banter, or you can come and join me on my live shows every single day on the David Techh channel. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Good. Oh, don't forget, you can watch also a video here, how to set up a profitable trading bot. This is completely game changing. Take care, guys. See you next week. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.